How to install WhatsJet SaaS. That's a WhatsApp marketing platform with box sending, campaigns, and chatbot scripts. So for this testing purposes, I'll be using code list. Don't forget, I'll be using code list for these testing purposes. Use link in the description to get the code, the script. So let me go straight to codelist.cc. Then next, I click on the search button to search for the script I'm looking for. WhatsJet. So, click on the copy. Here is the script. Then I click on it. Or scroll down to select one of the link. Let me select this. Going to paste. So I now click on download to download it, but I've already downloaded the script. So let me just go straight to my computer. Okay, here is the downloaded script, and I extracted it. This is the extracted file. Let me open it. I open this place. Here is the script. Here is the file that I'm to send to my server, my cPanel on my server. So, and I zip it because I need to send a zip file. So I zip it. This is a zip file that I will send to my cPanel. So let me go straight to my cPanel. Then next I go to my file manager. My file manager. Domain I want to use. This is the subdomain I want to use. As you can see, I've already uploaded the zip file, which is this, to this place. Then next I extract it. Extract files. Close. I open the script. Select or right click, then move. I'm moving it to the root folder. Move files up one level. So I have successfully uploaded my file, my script, to the cPanel. Then next I go to my database to create my database. My SQL databases. I create my database. Let me name it as this. Create database. Okay, created. Next, I'm going to create user. Let me name it as this. Create user. I click on go back. I've created the database, the user. Then next I'm going to add the user to the database. I will make sure I select the one I just created. Here is it. Then add. Give our privileges. Then move down to new changes. So successful. Now what next is for me to Let me go back to my cPanel and cPanel. Then phpMyAdmin. phpMyAdmin. That's in database. Yes, phpMyAdmin. I will select the database I created for this, then import. Choose file. Database schema from the file I downloaded from my script. Open. Then I scroll down to create, to import. Yes, import successfully. Now let me now go back to my file manager. Here is it. I click on .env, edit. So my database name, I will go and select the database name I just created. Okay, database name. Let me click on this. Okay, so here is my database name. I copy it. So database name. Okay. Username. Then next, save changes. So I can close this now. Next for me now is just for me to go to my data, my subdomain. Okay, slash public, then enter. As you can see, I have successfully installed my WhatsJet. So from here, features, pricing, contacts. So I can go to anywhere I want from here, and I can register if I want to register. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and you use link in the description to get me coffee. Thanks.